Grandpa hasn't eaten anything for 3 days. I am so worried about him.
I just don't have any appetite today, my dear boy. Everything tastes so bland.
Mike, please help me clear this tray. Your grandfather needs his rest right now.
Don't worry, Grandpa. I will cook something special that will make you feel hungry.
That is very sweet of you, Mike. Grandpa always loves a good homemade meal.
I know exactly what to make. Chicken soup always fixes everything. First, I need to check if we have all the fresh ingredients in the fridge. Perfect! We have fresh chicken, carrots, celery, and onions right here. I have to be very careful with the knife while chopping these vegetables.
Do you need any help, Mike? Soup takes a lot of careful preparation.
No thanks, Mom. I want to make this whole recipe by myself for Grandpa.
Small slices are better, so the carrots become soft and easy to chew.
Here is my secret recipe book, Mike. It has the special soup steps inside.
Wow! Grandma's secret chicken soup recipe. I must follow every single step carefully.
Step 1. Simmer the chicken bones with fresh herbs for rich flavor.
This pot is big enough to make plenty of hot soup for everyone.
Let's heat up the pot gently so nothing burns at the bottom.
A little bit of olive oil will help cook the aromatic vegetables nicely. Oh, the sizzle sounds so good already. The kitchen is smelling nice. Stirring constantly keeps the onions soft without letting them turn brown too fast.
You are cooking like a real professional chef today, my dear Mike.
Now it's time to add the fresh chicken pieces into the pot.
Adding cold water slowly will make the chicken broth very rich and clear.
Now we just have to wait patiently while the soup simmers gently. It smells wonderful, but I really hope it tastes as good as Grandma's. What if my soup isn't delicious? What if Grandpa refuses to eat it?
Cooking with love is the most important secret ingredient, Mike. Don't worry.
I just really want Grandpa to get better and smile again, Grandma. Just a tiny pinch of salt and pepper to balance the flavor.
Fresh parsley adds a lovely color and a clean, refreshing herbal taste.
We will let it simmer low and slow for 20 more minutes.
Waiting is the hardest part. I hope Grandpa is feeling okay upstairs.
Time is almost up, Mike. The soup looks completely ready now.
Okay, it is time for the final taste test before serving Grandpa.
Blow on it carefully so I don't burn my tongue on the soup. Let me feel the flavor carefully on my tongue. I am not sure. Does it need a little bit more salt, Grandma?
It is absolutely perfect, Mike.
You made it with pure love today.
Whew, that makes me feel so much better. Let's serve it now.
Ladling hot broth, tender chicken, and bright carrots into Grandpa's favorite bowl. I must make sure not to spill a single drop on the tray.
A fresh napkin and spoon will make the tray look very nice. Hold it tight, Mike. Walk very slowly up the wooden stairs. One step at a time, keeping the hot tray completely steady and flat.
Almost at the top of the stairs. Hold on tight, Soup.
Look at how careful he is being for his dear grandfather today.
Here we are. I hope Grandpa is ready for a warm surprise. Knock, knock! Grandpa, I brought you something special from the kitchen.
Come in, little Mike. What is that wonderful smell you brought?
I made you hot chicken soup using Grandma's special secret recipe.
You cooked this all by yourself for me, my sweet grandson?
Yes, I chopped all the carrots and stirred the broth very carefully.
Please try at least 1 spoon, Grandpa. It will warm you up. He worked so hard on it, Father. Give it a try.
How can I say no to a meal made with such love? It smells just like the soup Rose used to make years ago.
Please be good. Please taste delicious. Please help Grandpa feel better.
Let me taste this wonderful warm broth right now.
Oh my goodness, oh my snow-mite. This flavor is so rich and comforting, Mike.
The chicken is so soft and the carrots are perfectly tender.
You like it? You really, really like my chicken soup, Grandpa?
Like it? This is the most delicious soup I have ever tasted.
Look at that big smile. He hasn't smiled like that in days.
I am finishing every single drop because it tastes so wonderful.
Wow. You ate the whole entire bowl of soup, Grandpa.
Come here, my brave little chef. Give your old grandpa a hug.
I am so happy you are feeling better, Grandpa. I was scared.
Your kindness helped me recover much more than the hot soup did.
You really brought the sunshine back into this room today, Mike. Love really is the best medicine in the whole world, isn't it?
I feel like I have all my strength back, thanks to you.
I want to remember how to make this soup forever and ever.
I am going to start our very own family recipe book today.
Title: Mike and Grandpa's Healing Secret Chicken Soup Recipe.
Ingredient number 1, 2 cups of love and lots of caring. Don't forget to write down the secret sprig of fresh parsley.
Fresh chicken, sweet carrots, celery, onions, and a gentle simmer.
Look who is out of bed and ready for a walk in the garden.
Grandpa?
You are walking all by yourself. You are totally cured.
This is truly a wonderful day for our entire happy family.
Caring for the people you love is always the absolute best medicine.
Thank you for taking such good care of your grandfather, little Mike.
Our family recipe book will keep this sweet memory alive forever.
Always cook with love and always take care of your family.